Hey everyone, welcome back to another mukbang, and today I have Subway. Actually, this is a different one. This one is a chicken Parmesan Caesar dressing wrap with a tomato basil wrap. Let me show you. This is one of the new wraps that they have. This is one of the new wraps that they have at Subway. And I wanted to try the other one. Look how good this looks. Look at that. It has the chicken, it has Parmesan, lettuce, tomato, onions, provolone, and it has Caesar dressing inside of it. The lady said that it was good, so I told her I'm gonna trust you on that. So hopefully it's good. But yeah, I wanted to try the other one. They also have a steak with chipotle on it, but I'm not a big, huge fan of chipotle or hot stuff. So yeah, I like it that they don't, it has enough wrap. Like I said on my other video, it has the wraps enough. It doesn't have no extra, no nothing. I mean, it's perfect. Alright, first, y'all want a bite? Here's my first bite. Oh, it's the rotisserie chicken. Actually, she told me you can make a wrap out of any of the sandwiches that they have there, any kind that they have. But the ones that they have, the steak, the chicken, and the turkey, are the ones that actually are the ones that go with the actual wrap. So, I wanted to try the actual wrap. And I got another soup instead of getting, I got the meal, so I got the sandwich, the soup, and my drink, a tea. But I wasn't feeling the tea today. I tasted it and I was like, I don't really want tea. So I got me a Coke. Yes. I needed one. I need a burp. I don't know why. I feel like I need a burp. That's what I needed. Oh, I'll be burping in a minute. On my potato soup, I asked her to put 2 slices of provolone cheese in it, which, oh my god, I love cheese. So I asked her to put extra provolone in it. I mean, I'll drink in my tea. I mean, I'll drink my tea. It's just, I feel like drinking a Coke. And this is just a little Coke. I mean, it's not much. So, I mean, I don't even drink the whole can. It's just, I just needed a few drinks out of it. But yeah. I love their soup. Look at that. Look how good that looks. I did put down a couple of potato chips. With the sandwich without chips, right? It was too funny because I took my baby with me, my dog, my Chihuahua, and I told her, you have to stay inside the car. Oh man, she wanted to get out of that car so bad. She was just All you saw was her little head bopping one side to the other, driver's side to the passenger side, back and forth. And I kept on looking outside at my dog. You know, you saw with her little head jumping back and forth. And, mm, so, yeah, and she was asking me what I wanted. Oh, and they actually heat up the chicken. It's not cold, it's actually heated up. And what they do is, or you can tell them which wrap you want. She said that you can either get the tomato basil or you can get the spinach. I should have got the spinach just to try it out. My daughter said that it tastes good. You can't even taste that it's spinach. I should have got that one. But I was like, no, I'm going to go ahead and get the tomato basil. I got all the stuff for me. I got all the stuff for me in the wrap. And I told her, I was like, I had got one the other day. And I told her, I was like, and I couldn't finish it. I was like, it was too much for me. She was like, oh, because it's actually double the meat on one, you know, inside of it. She was like, if you got one little slab of meat, the wrap would have been so skinny. It wouldn't even have nothing in it. You would have had all that extra tortilla, the extra wrap tortilla. I was like, yeah, that's true. And I told her, I was like, no wonder I couldn't finish it. I was like, it had so much meat in it. She was like, yeah. She goes, and people that get it for the first time, they don't know about how much meat it has in it, or how much, you know, if you're gonna be able to finish it. You know, they're getting soup, they're getting the chips, they're getting cookies. And she says that they sit in there and that they always ask for, like, oh, can I get like a little paper so I can wrap up my sandwich, the other half? Or she said, you know, it's kind of funny, you know, they come back up and they're asking for a little bag to put their food back in so they could take it with them because they can't finish it and they got all the extra stuff. I think I would have been the same way. I mean, Subway's a little pricey, but it's actually good. It's actually pretty good. I hope y'all can see that. Excuse me. But, yeah. And the girl had said this one was her favorite one. But, you know, me tasting this one. Did y'all see that? Look at all that cheese. Look at that cheese. I love cheese. Look at that. Ooh, yes. Let me see. Hopefully it's not too hot, because I heated it up a little bit. Look at all that cheese. Yes. Looks so good. Can y'all see me now? I'm sorry about that. I forgot all about my light, turning it on. So half of the beginning portion of this video, yeah, it was dark. I'm sorry. I mean, I forgot all about the light. Ow. That hurt. Sat down no hard. I was wondering, I was like, why is it so dark? Why can't I barely see this? Yeah, I know why now. Because the light was off. Sorry about that, guys. Look how good that looks. That whole tomato wanted to come out. So when y'all look at my videos, and when would y'all rather me talk, tell you some stories like of my past or stories that I know of? Or do you want me just, is it better just to do my random talking? Or let me know in the comments. Well, sometimes I wonder, you know, what would they like to hear today, you know? They want to hear about things that are going on, or just like random talking and stuff that's happened here and there, or y'all want to hear like a whole story all at one time. I mean, let me know. Oh, I would like to thank all the new subscribers that have subscribed to my channel. I really, really appreciate it. Oh my God, I am so happy that y'all subscribed to my channel. And I hope y'all enjoy my videos. I mean, this makes me so, so happy. It's amazing. Like, I'm just overwhelmed because of all the subscribers. And I'm just so happy. Overwhelmed in a good way. So I'm getting closer to 100 subscribers, and I hope to get there pretty soon. Because once I get to 100 subscribers, my husband's supposed to do another video with me. And we're supposed to do a special video, an eating video. He told me what he wanted, but I don't know. He was telling me Mexican food, and I was like, why don't we do something special? Why don't we, you know, something different? And I told him he doesn't like Chinese food. I mean, he'll eat fish and shrimp and stuff like that, but not like, you know, actual Chinese food. He, you know, fried fish, fried shrimp. Like the way I make my fried shrimp, he likes that. He likes the way I fry it. So it just depends on, you know, what kind it is. But I don't know for sure if that's what we want to do. Or maybe we'll just go to town and, excuse me, we can even do like a car mukbang, or, you know, there's several different things that we can do and different ways we can do it. So I'm hoping, you know, we can get to 100 pretty soon, and I'm hoping we can get to 1,000. But I know that's gonna take some time. But hey, one day at a time. I mean, it's not a rush or anything, but hey, I would like to get there one day. Husband has to go to work tonight, so I'm making him food for work and for him to eat in a minute when he gets up. I don't know if I'm going to make him some chicken tacos or just have like chicken on the side with rice and beans. I made him rice and beans. I made him some rice and beans, but I'm still undecided on how I want to do the chicken part. I'm undecided on how to do the chicken part, but he'll eat it either way. However I make it, he'll eat it, so we'll see. So, yeah, how's everybody's weekend going so far? This is a 3-day weekend for us. I hope it is for y'all too. Don't go back to work till Tuesday, which I'm happy about that. Excuse me. I could be at home relaxing. I mean, I'd rather be home instead of working or work from home. Well, you know, not everybody can do that. Not everybody can do that. Work from home and and just stay home and do their work whenever they feel like it, and you know, clean up their house, and you know, just not all that stress of having that stress of having to go to work and then to listen to all the people at work, all the haters, all the backstabbers. With that Caesar dressing inside of it, it's good. It's really good. It has that Parmesan and that Caesar dressing, and it just comes together perfect. Anyways, yeah. I have made them. I had made a video at work, and you can see I was in a car. Since we're on the subject about working and stuff, I had made a video, and one of the people, not saying who, walking by, I'm just staring, like wanting to know what I was doing, what I was talking about, and everything. Which that person did ask, "What were you doing? What were you talking about?" And that right there is just nosy ass people just want to be in your business just so they can go open their mouth to somebody else and go tell them, "Hey, look at what they're doing." And then by the time you know it, it gets to so many people, and that last person they get to, the whole thing is a different story. It's like blown out of proportion, and it's not even what I was doing, or it wasn't even what I was talking about, but yet from something this little gets this big in just seconds. And I mean, that is ridiculous. Ridiculous for people just to open their mouth for something that they don't even know what's going on. And sometimes I don't say nothing. I'll keep. Sorry, my nose was itching. And sometimes I won't say anything. I'll just keep my mouth shut when things like that come about. And I think I think they get more pissed off at me because I don't say nothing to them, or I don't talk back to them, or like they'll say stuff, and I'll just turn around and go back to my office and finish doing what I was doing, or I'll just if I go into the office and go do what I need to do, and they're over there saying something and I ignore them, that pisses them off. That really pisses them off. I mean, they act like I'm supposed to tell them everything. Like they're on a need to know basis, in which in my book, they don't need to know crap. It's like, okay, are you my boss? Because if you're not my boss, you don't need to know nothing. So yeah, I mean, this person acts like they're their boss. They act like they're in charge. And I know in the majority of my videos I talk about work all the time. But I mean, half the time it's not even where I'm working. Or the majority of the time it's not where I'm working. It's actually in a different department. It's stuff that's happened. And, I just talk about it. So, if these people look at my videos and they watch it and they think that I'm talking about them, no, I'm not. I'm actually talking about stuff that's happened previously in a different department, and I'm just talking about it. I mean, it's not a bad thing. It's not something that, that they're going to get pissed off at. I'm just telling them the truth and or just talking about the truth. I'm just talking about the way I was treated, how I was treated, and, what happened. And so, if they ever see these videos, it's not about you. And it's not about you. And it's not about you. Way back there in the back. It's not about you. So, I mean, they can talk all they want. Just like the other day, I had somebody say, "Oh, you're not hanging out with your best friends?" What best friends is that? And they're like, "Your best friend's up there." I was like, wait a minute. I don't have no best one. I don't have no best friends for one. And between the two of them, this is how I'm going to say it. Between the two of them, I'm in the middle. And sometimes I get pulled left and right. And instead of that happening, I stay in my office and this is the past, but I stay in my office or in my area or where I'm at, and I don't say nothing. I keep my mouth shut. I don't talk about nobody. And if somebody pisses me off, I just, how did I say? I just shut down to certain people, and I don't say nothing to nobody. And then when that one person, or anybody, not one person, but if anybody comes up to me and asks me, what's wrong? Why do you look like that? Or why are you mad? Or, you know, either one of those questions. Okay, that's a need to know basis. So you don't need to know what's wrong with me. And if I wanted you to know, I would have already told you. So whenever anybody asks me what's wrong, all I tell them is nothing. Nothing's wrong. Why? What's wrong? What happened? You know, I turn it around on them. What happened? What, you know, what do you mean what's wrong? Does something have to be wrong? And, oh, no, it's just, you look like you're mad. You look like you're pissed. No, I'm just minding my own business and staying out of people's way. And I just don't like it when people say, what do you want now? Or, what? Or, why do you have to bring this in right now? Or, you know, just things like that. I'm just going to keep my mouth shut. I'm not going to say nothing. And this is from a different department. So if y'all think this is about y'all, so be it. Think what you want. But I talk about what's happened in different position, and I can tell you a lot that's happened in some other positions, and ooh, y'all would freak out. Freak out. Believe me. Then would be like, what? Are you serious? They what? They didn't do nothing about it? What? Y'all would be like that. Y'all would be on the edge of their seats if I would tell y'all some things that's happened out there. And for nothing to happen about it. No, like, they didn't do nothing about it. Oh, they did do one thing about it. They moved me to a different department because they acted like I was the one that started everything, and which I wasn't. But I said it's okay, it's cool, because I think the people were all on the girl's side, or that person's side, and all took up for that person. So whenever they told me, I'm moving you to this different place, can I go now? Can I get my stuff? Can I go now? Yeah, I did say that. I told the boss, can I go now? Can I get my stuff, and can I go over there right now? Do I have to clock in over there, or can I just clock in here still, or and then go over there, or what do I do? Quick. I said, deuces. Didn't tell the person that I was going anywhere. I just grabbed my shit. Sorry. I just grabbed my stuff and walked my happy butt out of there. I was happy. Walked into the other place. What are you doing here? I would say, hey, I'm here. Where do you want me? What you want me to do? Where do you want me to start? Real exciting when that day happened. Kudos to that man for letting me go. Ooh, that was just like the happiest day in my life that day when he told me, you can go over there to the other department. Yay! So I was so excited. But anyways, guys, I need to go get my nails done again. Anyways, guys, I can't finish the other half. I'll probably finish it later on tonight. And like I said, they put double the amount inside one of these. See how much there is in here? That is a lot for a half a wrap. But I'll save this for later on tonight. I'll probably get hungry and I'll eat it later. So yeah. Y'all should go try. Believe me, these wraps are good. This is the second one that I've tried. The first one I tried was the turkey guacamole with lettuce, tomato, onions, ranch, and bacon. The first one was good. I mean, that one was awesome, and it had the tomato basil wrap on it. And then this one right here, this one's awesome. It gives it the chicken and then the Parmesan cheese and the Caesar dressing with the lettuce, the tomatoes, lettuce and tomatoes. I added the onions. I like onions. You don't have to have the onions, but I know at our Subway they ask you, hey, you can get something different in it. You don't have to have what's in the picture. But me, I wanted to try exactly what was inside the picture, so I got that. So believe me, it's good. I haven't tried the steak one yet, so I mean, if any of y'all tried the steak one, let me know how it was, because I don't really do chipotle sauce or anything like that. So yeah. So if y'all tried it, leave it in the comments below. Let me know how it was or what it tasted like, or if I should go and try it, and if it's not too hot or anything, just let me know. So anyways, guys, don't forget, guys, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't already, and share my videos, share them everywhere, and don't forget to hit that little bell to get notified when I post the video. Yeah, and oh yeah, don't forget about the giveaway. It's 2 videos back from this one. Go check it out. I have a giveaway. Y'all still have time to go and do all 3 options. You have to subscribe to my YouTube, my Snapchat, and my Instagram. Send me a DM on either Snapchat or my Instagram. Let me know why you would be the best candidate to win what I have. So go check out that other video, and good luck to whoever wins the noodles and chopsticks. What I have for a giveaway, the extremely hot noodles and chopsticks. So good luck to everyone that has sent me a DM, and yeah, I'll be announcing the winner in a few days, maybe. I'll let y'all know when I'll be announcing the winner. So alright, guys, well, y'all have a good night, day, afternoon, or whatever it is at the time you're watching this. Y'all have an awesome one, and until my next video, bye.